In my hand I have the enemy of the potato plant. It's called the Colorado potato beetle. Now these, if left unchecked, will destroy all your potatoes. It's amazing how much these little guys can eat. So you'll want to go out to your garden not long after your plants come up, and you really want to scout for them. You can look on the underside of the leaves. This is where they're going to lay these orange egg masses. It's a bright orange. You can't miss them. If you come across those, cut those branches off, get rid of them, throw them in your garbage. When those eggs hatch, they're going to turn into the larvae, which are going to be about a third of their size, and they're going to be that color of their head. You can see kind of an orangey, reddish kind of color. Those are the ones that are really going to do a lot of damage. And the adults, what they primarily do, in addition to eating the leaves, are going to lay eggs, and millions of them. So get out to your garden, scout it early and often for these guys, and take care of them. 2 or 3 times a week always work for me. And when you do find it, there's 2 products you can use to take care of them, aside from hand picking. One is going to have a product called BT, which is Bacillus thuringiensis, naturally occurring. That would be the active ingredient. I think it's sold under the trade name Potato Beater. And the other one is going to be spinosad, which is a naturally occurring bacteria, and it's just really infecting them with that disease, and it doesn't make them sick. It's not a nasty chemical. And what we're going to do is just spray them with that stuff, and in time it's going to stop them right in their tracks. Again, no harsh chemicals. I don't believe in using chemicals on any food products, and I've been using this stuff for years. I've researched it. BT or spinosad, it's safe and it will take care of these little guys.